Congratulations! You guys are now set up your devices, and now we're going to move on to the next section, the most important section, which is planning your smart home. And I said planning. We're going to do a little bit of work. We're going to get some paper, crayons, pencils, whiteboards, doesn't matter. And we're going to think about what we're trying to achieve with our smart home before we actually go down that road. In my opinion, this is the most important section of this course, hands down. You can definitely jump in with both feet, but if you want to have the easiest, most streamlined experience, take some time. Listen to some advice from someone who's gone through this. I've actually rebuilt my entire smart home setup at least a couple of times because I messed it up, I screwed things up, and I did it to myself. It's not a problem with HomeKit, it's not a problem with the devices, it was me. So what we're going to do is I'm going to share with you guys some of the tricks that I've learned, some of the basic building blocks being zones, groups, and rooms. Think about how to set this up and how this ties into our house, and go from there. We're also going to talk about naming conventions, which is really, really important. How to name your devices so you can successfully access them through Siri. Okay? Let's go.